Hi there, today we talk about how to make learning fun. As an educator or parent, it is often a challenge to make learning appear fun to your students and kids. If traditional methods of learning aren't engaging them, it is time to think outside of the box. Firstly, making learning personal. Incorporate your students' specific interests. 2. Structure your students' learning time to meet their needs. It is irresponsible to assume that all kids learn in the same way and at the same rate. 3. Provide your students with opportunities to teach each other. 4. Get involved in your students' or child's learning. When your students or kids are studying or taking part in an educational activity, join in. 5. Making learning accessible and relevant. Create hands-on learning opportunities. 6. Take your students on field trips. Field trips provide students with the opportunity to connect the abstract concepts they are learning inside the classroom to the real world. 7. Allow students to utilize their imaginations. Instead of limiting or checking their imagination, allow their creativity to run rampant. 8. Play educational games. After teaching a lesson to your students or studying a concept with your child, allow them to play an educational game that will test them on their new knowledge. 9. Make abstract concepts relevant. Throughout their educational career, students are introduced to numerous abstract concepts that seem irrelevant to their lives. 10. Assign digital projects. Today's children are born into a digital age. 11. Utilize technology in your lessons. As educators and parents, you can make learning more fun by capitalizing on children's love for all things digital. 12. Watch or listen to educational programming. As a teacher and parent, consider supplementing lectures and traditional readings with education.